First order Stark effect in first excited state of hydrogen. First of all, the first excited state of hydrogen is first excited state means n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 means we represent the hydrogen wave function as psi n lm. Psi n lm. So the values for L become 0 and 1, and for M become 1 0 minus 1. So the first excited state of hydrogen atom is fourfold degenerate, means it has four wave functions, like psi 2 0 0, first one, psi 2 1 0, psi 2 1 1, psi 2 1 minus 1. This is the four wave function for first excited state of uh, hydrogen. So there are four wave function, means degeneracy is 4, so we called it as a fourfold degenerate. Okay, after that, the we have considered in, as we seen in that first order Stark effect in ground state of hydrogen, we derive the perturbation there. We consider first the electric field is applied along z axis. So and that electric field interacts with dipole moment of uh, dipole moment. So then the perturbation becomes e r cos theta. Okay, so there is then the question arises in our mind that how can we calculate psi 2 0 0, psi 2 1 0, psi 1 1, and psi 1 minus 1. For this, there are some formulas. With the help of this formula, we can get the wave function psi 2 0 0, psi 2 1 0, psi 2 1 1, and psi 2 1 minus 1. And the hydrogen wave function, first, how to calculate or derive hydrogen wave function. Hydrogen wave function. Okay, first we'll see how to derive hydrogen wave function. Means psi nlm is equal to n l 2r by n a naught to the power l e to the power r by n a naught. Next one, capital L n plus 1, here 2l plus 1, 2r by 2r by n a naught, n ml lm pl m cos theta e to the power I m phi. So with the help of that formula, we can find the wave function for any state of hydrogen atom. So n l n, that one is defined as under root 2 by n a naught, next cube n minus l minus 1 factorial divided by 2n n plus l factorial cube. Okay, again that one, n ln is equal to minus 1 to the power m divide under root 2l plus 1 divided by 4 pi l minus mod of m factorial divided by l plus mod of m factorial. Okay, after that, with the help of all these three formulas, we can derive the hydrogen wave function. So instead of deriving the hydrogen wave function for the all these four state, just try to remember that wave function. Try to memorize that four wave functions, because deriving the hydrogen wave function, it turns that problem so complicated. So psi 200 is equal to 1 by 4 pi under root 2 pi a naught to the power 3 by 2 2r minus r by a naught e to the power r by 2 a naught. Okay, this is the psi 200. Psi 210 become 1 upon 4 under root 2 pi a naught to the power 3 by 2 r by a naught e to the power minus r by 2 a naught e to the power cos theta. Next one, psi 211 1 by 8 under root 3 pi a naught to the power 3 by 2 r by a naught e to the power minus r by 2 a naught sin theta e to the power I phi. Psi 21 minus 1 by under root 3 pi a naught to the power 3 by 2 r by a naught e to the power r by 2 a naught sin theta e to the power minus I phi. These are the four wave functions for first excited state of hydrogen atom. In order to apply the perturbation theory to degenerate state, we have to first we have to evaluate the 16 element matrix of H prime. So 16 element matrix of H prime. What is 16 element of matrix H prime? First we see there are, we say that the first excited state of hydrogen atom is fourfold degenerate. So right here psi 200, here right here H prime. Okay, psi 200, psi 210, it's a Ket psi 210, Ket psi 211, again Ket psi 21 minus 1. Okay, so here bra psi 200, bra 210, bra 211, again bra psi 21 minus 1. Okay, then here we will get here here is first element, second element, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We will get the 4 into 4 matrix. First row, first column, psi 200, first right bra, then H prime, after that psi 200. Okay, after that first row, second column means psi 200 H prime, psi 210, again right H prime, psi 211, psi 200 H prime, psi 21 minus 1. Right here again bra 210 H prime, psi 200, psi 210 H prime, psi 200, again psi 210 H prime, psi 211, psi 210 H prime, psi 21 minus 1. Okay, simply write in this manner. H prime psi 200, again psi 211, H prime psi 210, psi 211 H prime, psi 211, psi 210 211 H prime, psi 21 minus 1. Okay, again psi 21 minus 1 H prime, fourth row, first column, psi 200, psi 21 minus 1 H prime, psi 210, again psi 21 minus 1 H prime, psi 211, again psi 21 minus 1 H prime, psi 21 minus 1. Okay, this will be this is the 4 into 4 matrix. So look this one, psi 200 psi 200, and this is H prime. We can say that it's the first order correction to energy. Okay, n equal to 2 here. First order correction to energy. Again, this also the first order correction to energy for that state. Again, this also first order correction to energy of that state. Okay, again E2 first order correction. Understand? After that, one formula is there. I'm writing here. Okay. One formula is there, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi exponential here I m prime minus m phi d phi is equal to 0 if m is not equal to m prime. Okay, that formula is given in that now the first order correction is 0. Okay, as we have seen in last class, that first order correction is 0 means first order correction is 0 means all the diagonal elements become 0. Okay, so all the after all the diagonal element becomes 0 by using this formula. Say if the diagonal matrix element between states of diagonal m values are 0, the remaining two matrix first I will tell you that that of diagonal elements first. If you calculate the of diagonal elements, I will show you how to calculate first. After that I will take it directly. Okay, first we understand all the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, all diagonal elements. After that we'll see first second element, that psi 2 0 psi 2 0 0 h prime psi 2 1 0. Okay, here brass psi 200 h prime 2 1 0. Okay, 2 1 0 na? Yeah, 2 1 0. So write that in integral from psi star 200 h prime psi 210 d term. Okay, so what is psi 200? That one is psi 200. Is there any complex term? No, na? So it's a real wave function. So its complex conjugate is as similar as psi. Okay, so 1 upon 4 pi 1 upon 4 under root 2 pi a naught to the power 3 by 2. Okay, 2 minus r by a naught exponential minus r by 2 a naught. This is the psi 200 integral. H prime is e r cos theta. Again psi 210. What is psi 210? 1 upon 4 under root 2 pi a naught to the power 3 by 2 r by a naught exponential minus r by 2 a naught cos theta. Okay, into d tau. As we say, what is d tau? R square dr sin theta d theta d phi. Okay, so right, first take it out all the constant terms outside the integration. 3 by 2. These two terms are constant, no? So first write 0 to infinity is limits for r, 0 to pi for theta, 0 to 2 pi for d phi. Okay. After that, a naught. Again, is there any r term? Yes, r by a naught. Okay, we have write both these terms. After that, write exponential term. That one exponential, that one also exponential. So e to the power x, e to the power x, it become e to the power 2x, right? Like that, r by a naught. Okay. After that, theta terms, cos theta. Okay. After that, there is no phi term, so r square dr sine theta d theta d phi. After that, separate the integrals. 1 upon 16 into 2 pi into a naught to the power 3 by 2. This will become 0 to infinity r by a naught, again 2 by a naught, what r, and that r and r square and r become r cube. Okay. Wait, I have done some one mistake here. Here only cube remaining. 2r by a naught, r cube by a naught dr, again 0 to pi, what sine theta cos theta d theta. Okay. After that, 0 to 2 pi d phi. I think I have done one mistake here. Firstly, side 200. Yeah. H prime, where is H prime? H prime, that H prime, we have to write H prime, no? H prime. H prime is EER cos theta. H prime is EER cos theta. So it is in a multiplication. Again here EER I am writing here. EER cos theta, that cos theta becomes cos square theta. Cos square theta. Again I am writing E. Both the terms are constant. So here R. Okay. Again its r cube becomes that r square, r square, r to the power 4. Understand? Here e and here cos square theta. After that, solve that integrals. How can you solve? E divided by 16 into, instead of writing that, write directly 32 pi a naught cube. Okay, a naught to the power 4, take in that a naught outside. Okay, a naught to the power 4. After that, 0 to infinity, what r to the power 4 r by a naught. Again I haven't write exponential term here. I have to write exponential r by a naught. Okay, exponential minus r by a naught dr. Okay. After that, sine theta cos square theta d theta. With the help of integration by substitution, solve that. You will get the value for that is 2 by 3. Again here d phi. So we can say that 2 pi. We can write 2 pi. After that, again 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 into e 32 pi a naught to the power 4. Okay, 0 to infinity 2 r to the power 4 exponential minus r by a naught dr minus, again r to the power 4, 0 to infinity r to the power 4, r to the power 5, actually r to the power 5 divided by a naught exponential r by a naught dr. Okay, solve both the integrals with the help of that formula. Which one? Integral 0 to infinity r to the power n exponential uh, ar, wait, 0 to e to the power ar dr is equal to n factorial upon e to the power n plus 1. Okay, use that formula. With the help of that formula you can calculate both these terms. So at last you will get the answer 32 pi n naught to the power 4 into what you get 2 a naught to the power 5 divided by 1 by a naught. I am writing directly here. आप लोग कैलकुलेट कर लेना, ठीक है. 4 pi by, simplify this term, at last you will get 3 e a naught. Okay, understand? Likewise, if we calculate, look at here. First, that is the complex conjugate of that one, so both value become equal. So it become minus 3 e a naught. So it is also minus 3 e a naught. Okay, now as we say here, look at here. If m dash and m is not equal, then the integral become 0. So first here, look at here, it's NLM, m value equal to 0 and its m value is plus 1, so it will directly become 0. Again look at here, its m value 0, it's minus 1, it will again become 0. Again here its m value become equal, so we have calculated. Again it is first order correction, it is 0. Again m0 1, this will become 0. Again 0 minus 1, this will become 0. Again 2 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1, this is the first order correction. First order correction is 0, so we are writing 0 here. Again 1 minus 1, m values are not, m and m dash values are not same, so we writing here 0 with the help of that formula. Okay, so after m minus 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 plus 1, this will become 0, and it's a first order correction to energy which is 0 already. So if we write all the 16 elements of that matrix, we will get what? First order correction to energy first. Okay, secondly minus 3 e a naught. Okay, 0 0 minus 3 e a naught, first order correction. 0 0 0 0 first order correction. 0 0 0 first order correction for that state. So understand that one? As I said, look at here, this is the first order correction, this will become minus 3 e a naught. Okay, this is the complex conjugate of that one. Okay, means its both values are equal. After that we define one formula here. That formula, what that formula says, if m and m dash are not equal, then the integral value become 0. So look at here, we write psi nlm. Okay, psi nlm. So psi nlm, if m we are taking m dash and m. Okay, if both the values are not equal, then that integral becomes 0. So we, by using that condition, all the non-diagonal element uh, whose m and m dash is not equal become a 0. After that we'll get the 16 order 16 element matrix. Now how to calculate the what say eigenvalues. So here that four elements are 0, and again that four elements are 0. Only that 2 into 2 matrix remaining here. So first write for first two states. First two states, what say, what will you say, that matrix en1 minus 3 e a naught, e minus 3 e a naught, again en1 equal to 0. Now next, for next two states, en1 0 0 en1. Okay, this is for next two states. So the solution for that states, en dash first order correction minus 3 e a naught square equal to 0. So en1 will become plus minus 3 a naught. Okay, understand? But here en dash is equal to 0. Understand? Now we can say that the first two states, uh, the first two states what we say, the first two states are the first two states are affected. Look at here. अरे यार,